Let's talk about English puddings. In this section, I'll show you some classic recipes with milk, eggs, and sugar, flavored with cocoa, caramel, coffee, and so forth. The difference between English puddings and pastry creams is that the puddings don't use flour or egg whites. English puddings can be served hot or cold, can be served with cake, or served alone in a bowl like soup, or added to other ingredients. The important thing is the cooking temperature. It has to remain at 82 to 84 degrees Celsius, the temperature at which the eggs begin to cook and you get that soft, velvety texture. The choice is up to you, so let's get started.
Versiamo il latte bollente per pastorizzare i tuorli.
We'll pour in hot milk to pasteurize the egg yolks. We'll use a spatula instead of a whip in order to incorporate air in the cream so there will be no foam on the surface, which would change the appearance of the cream.
Utilizziamo la pellicola a contatto con la crema per evitare che si formi la pellicina quando si raffredda.
We'll use plastic wrap in contact with the cream to keep a skin from forming while it's cooling.